The Buddha's teachings are vast and boundless, like an ocean. When beginners first encounter them, they may feel lost and uncertain about what to follow. Should one focus on the teachings of the first turning of the Dharma wheel, the second or the third? Is the Theravāda tradition better, or the Mahāyāna, or perhaps the Vajrayāna? However, with the guidance of a qualified teacher, all these scriptures and teachings can be understood through the Master's pith instructions. One should first cultivate renunciation, then develop bodhicitta, and on that basis discern emptiness with non-dual wisdom. Ultimately, based on renunciation and bodhicitta, one eliminates all grasping to self and phenomena. In just a few words, this summarizes the entire content of the sutras and tantras, and by practicing in this way, one's path becomes complete and perfect. The pith instructions of the teacher are truly essential. Without the teacher's guidance, one would not know how to integrate the key points of the scriptures and treatises into one's own mind and practice. Therefore, merely having access to the Dharma is not enough, and even taking refuge by oneself is not sufficient. One must also be accepted and guided by a qualified spiritual teacher.